Today we're taking a look at the NVIDIA stock, ticker symbol NVDA, in anticipation of the upcoming Monday, March 18th, 2024 trading day. Welcome back to Capital Consultant. Let's dive right into it. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe and to click the bell icon to get notified as soon as these videos are released so that you have more time to plan out your trades as we provide these stock analysis videos on a daily basis after market close. I can guarantee that you'll have all the important information that you'll need on this stock heading into the upcoming trading day after fully watching this video. One more thing before we start, if you would like access to our daily watch list, stock picks, option picks, and more, then check out our Patreon in the link down below. Now let's get started. On Friday, March 15, 2024, trading for NVIDIA stock commenced at $870 and concluded at $878.36. Over the course of the day, there was a slight decline of 0.12%, with the stock price fluctuating between $879.44 and $878.36. Trading activity witnessed the exchange of 63.1 million shares, translating to approximately $55.45 billion. The stock exhibited a trading range spanning from its lowest point of $862.57 to its highest at $895.46, marking the last trading day's spectrum. It's worth noting that the stock's 52-week high stands at $974, while its low rests at $251.30. Compared to the prior trading day, there was an increase of 3 million shares traded, coinciding with a decrease in the stock price, signaling negative market sentiment. In terms of risk assessment, NVIDIA stock is classified as very stable, with a low likelihood of facing financial distress. Analyzing moving averages, the long-term trend suggests a buy signal, whereas the short-term trend leans towards a sell signal. However, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term one, there's a buy signal, pointing to a more optimistic outlook. Market indicators also reveal a mild bullish 3-day candlestick pattern and an extreme bullish 1-day money flow. Additionally, there's a watch for a breakout above the $901.72 level for NVDA stock. Conversely, a bearish engulfing pattern is forming on the 1-hour time frame, signaling a bearish reversal with medium reliability. Despite this, considering the current short-term trend, there's an anticipation of a rise in the stock price. At the closure of the recent trading session, the latest daily candle on the chart displays a crimson hue, signifying the prevailing influence of sellers, colloquially referred to as bears, throughout the day's trading activities. This bearish dominance is evident in the session's notable trading volume, which tallied at 63.1 million, marking a 20% surge compared to NVIDIA's average volume of 50.6 million. Presently, the stock resides comfortably within the upper echelons of its yearly price range. NVIDIA's current trading position exhibits it sailing above its 5-day exponential moving average and simple moving average, while also maintaining elevation above its 10-day EMA but descending below its 10-day SMA. Furthermore, it sustains its position above its 20, 50, 100, and 200-day EMAs and SMAs, all of which bodes well for its overarching trend. Shifting focus to the daily technical landscape, a series of observations emerge. The average true range indicator portrays heightened volatility, while indicators such as the Commodity Channel Index, Stochastic, and Williams percent range remain in neutral territory. Conversely, the rate of change, Ultimate Oscillator, Average Directional Index, MACD, and Relative Strength Index all signal positivity. Collectively, these technical cues converge towards a bullish outlook, suggesting a favorable stance for potential buyers. Nonetheless, it's crucial to exercise caution, as sole reliance on technical indicators might not always translate to substantial outcomes. Looking ahead to the forthcoming trading day, Monday, March 18, 2024, it's imperative to note that a stock price below $878.80 augurs a higher probability of downside potential, whereas trading above this threshold hints at the likelihood of an upward trajectory. Following the closing price of the most recent trading session, the current pivot point for this particular stock stands at the $878.80 mark. Alongside, it exhibits support levels at $875.28, $866.23, $858.47, and $845.91, while resistance levels are noted at $879.44, $891.36, $899.12, and $911.69. Now, I will delineate several potential trades for NVIDIA stock in the upcoming trading day, comprising 2 bullish and 2 bearish strategies. You are encouraged to explore alternative trades based on the insights gleaned from the video thus far, tailored to your bullish or bearish outlook on this stock. Keep in mind that breached support levels often transition into resistance, and conversely, surpassed resistance levels tend to assume a supportive role. When considering a bullish trade strategy for NVIDIA, one approach is to observe the stock's behavior within the first 30 minutes of trading. Should it maintain support around the $875.28 mark during this time frame, it may signal an opportunity for a long position. It's prudent to initiate this trade as close to the support level as feasible, given the intention for it to be a short-term endeavor. For those bullish on NVIDIA aiming to capitalize on intraday movements, a suggested profit-taking strategy for the initial bullish trade would involve initiating exits near the resistance threshold of $879.44. Another bullish scenario involves monitoring whether the $879.44 resistance level is breached within the first half hour of trading, subsequently transforming into a support level for a substantial duration. This situation hints at a short-term bullish trend. In such circumstances, initiating a long position close to this new support level is advised. As for profit-taking in this subsequent bullish trade, it's advisable to consider doing so around the subsequent resistance level of $891.36. Employing a strategy of incremental profit realization, ideally in 25% increments, is recommended to manage risk and optimize returns. Turning to bearish considerations, if the $879.44 level persists as a formidable resistance point beyond the initial 30 minutes of market activity, it might present an opportunity to initiate or add to a short trade position in proximity to this resistance level, bearing in mind the short-term nature of the trade. For those bearish on NVIDIA, seeking to capitalize on intraday fluctuations, a prudent approach for profit-taking in the primary bearish trade would involve commencing exits around the $875.28 support level. In a second bearish scenario, attention should be paid to whether the $875.28 support level is breached within the first half hour of trading and then sustains itself as a resistance level for a significant period. Such circumstances indicate a short-term bearish sentiment. In this case, initiating a short trade position close to the newly established $875.28 resistance level is recommended. Regarding profit-taking in this subsequent bearish trade, consider doing so around the subsequent support level of $866.23. Employing an incremental profit realization strategy, preferably in 25% increments, helps manage exposure and optimize profitability throughout the trade duration. As the market landscape continues to evolve, stay vigilant, adapt your trading strategy with agility, and leverage the rich array of insights provided in this comprehensive analysis. May your trades be astute and your financial endeavors thrive in this dynamic market environment. Happy trading!